fabricated this rear bumper so I could mount a hitch in 3 directions that will attach a crane. So I have a small crane mounts on the back of my truck, allowing me to load and unload material. The crane will have feet that go to the ground, giving it support directly to the earth, allowing me to lift larger loads without overstressing the frame of the truck or the frame of the bumper. And that way I can just pick material up off of the steel delivery truck and swing it over to mine. As a test, I'm just hooking up the bed of my truck, and I'm going to actually completely remove my bed for some other modifications I intend to make.
A few moments later.
You're interested in seeing how the project came out.